if you have removed and refitted Delphi injector like this, and the car does not start, or the car runs for 10 seconds and dies, you are not alone in this, because I fix this problem for people on a daily basis. I'm here to show you exactly why it happened. This is your injector. Inside, the operation is controlled by a valve. Nozzle, valve, solenoid. Look at this. It's very small. This valve open and close inside of this housing. If anything stops its operation, there would be either air or contamination. Air and contamination goes into it, this will not work. Your injector will not fire. Old, dirty nozzle. Goes to ultrasonic cleaner. Also goes to ultrasonic cleaner. Old cap, new cap. Clean valve plate. Laser machine. Laser clean nozzle. Spray check. Perfect. Nozzle pin. Spring. 35, 38. Now let's check the spray. Perfect. Time to put it onto the test bench. Going through warm-up. Now it's working perfect. We get a result for our customer. To avoid this from jamming up again, you need to follow the installation procedure attached below and save it for future. Save it for your friends, save it for your mechanic, because when it happens again, a big chance you're gonna spend extra money get it going from a shop like us. We are in Daniel, and we are here to help anything to do with injectors for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.